YouTube, how you doing, Earthlings? Well, that went well. Just tried to do a video of my scratch built scratch built trash bash doodle ship spaceship that I'm making, and all went complete disaster. I finished the build, and I wanted to do a what do you call it? Mine's gone blank. A wash coat, not wash coat. What do you call it? Primer coat on it. So I took it over to my airbrush area. Tried to use my airbrush didn't work, and I bashed my camera and my file corrupted, so I lost all of that footage, unfortunately. So anyway, let me just show you what I've done, because I ended up getting a rattle can out of acrylic grey primer, and I just took it outside on my balcony and done it with that. So it was an old hairdryer, as you can possibly tell. This was an old canopy I had left over from a door in a flying boat thing. These are big pen lids, and the other part of them is here, and I've just sort of drilled out the end there to make it look like it's a sort of a vent. This is an old tail plane of some kind. I think it was a what do you call it? The aardvark, the F-111 aardvark wing, I think. Old mouse button parts. Just these, I don't know. So these are from an engine of some kind. I don't know where these bits came from. But they're sort of futuristic type guns. Yeah. I wanted to keep it quite simple and basic. I can take this keep it simple, stupid bit of masking. There we are. Yeah, this is just an old lid off a dentistry bottle thing that I had. These are little caps off little syringey things that had some opaque inside them from dentistry. These are dentistry sort of mixing of impression material type things, a syringe thing that sort of squirts out too and then mixes up at the end. So yeah, could have done a better job with the spray primer, but I wanted to kind of keep it do it quickly, because I was filming and I wanted to bring it back indoors quickly, so I haven't done the primer very well. But I'm just going to hand paint silver, because all of these areas in here, they're unmasked out, and I've painted it all black on the inside, so I want to keep it black on the inside. So yeah, my little Flash Gordon style scratch built spaceship. I'll say it's my first one. It's my first large scale one, because when I was a kid I had the Star Wars Rebel base and Hoth battle scene things, and I made these little spaceships to go with all my little other spaceships. This one's kind of looks a bit more like a Buck Rogers sort of baddie fighter there. This one was quite like this one. I had quite a bit of good imagination back then with my little designs and my little spaceships. I like that one. One of them's taken a bit of a turn for the worse. This one was quite a nice little design as well. There's a bit falling off that, but yeah, I always quite like that one a lot. This one is like something like off Terror Hawks. Quite like that one. That's probably my second favourite, but my favourite one is the one that's in pieces. Or this one might be my favourite actually. This is I don't know where I got these bits from bits of model of ships, pretty much, and some guns in the front there, and this sort of swivel cannon thing. Just quite a nice, unique looking design there, I think. Yeah, like I say, there's that other one. I've kind of had this on there. Oops, that bit's fallen off now, and then this bit is down here, I think. favourites. Not so much. And that one's half built. Anyway, I'm going to carry on making these little ships, but I'll show you what it looks like when I've painted it. My Flash Gordon one. Anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Get back into my doing little scratch built robots as well. I've done quite a few I'm really happy with so far. There's loads up on top of my record deck up there in the middle of the camera, the unfinished ones. But yeah, I'll do a little video on all my little scratch built robots one day. Thank you for watching. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening and goodbye.